So I started off by sweeping up all the dirt and trash, and originally I wanted to pressure wash this area, and right when I was going to go grab the pressure washer, I realized that my husband had taken it with him to work, so that'll have to wait for another day. And then after that, I placed down the doormats that I was going to use so that I can work off of those colors and see what went with it. And then next thing was I grabbed some party streamer, and I wanted to do a mummy on the door. Now this will work a lot better if your door is not already white. I didn't think about it when I was at the store. I just went with the white party streamer, but I'm thinking now probably we should have went with black or like a grayer color. But either way, you couldn't tell on video, but in person you can tell that the streamer is there. So this is what took me the longest actually, was placing all of the party streamer on the door. So next I placed these big eyes. I picked these up off of Target, and I just placed them in the center of the door. Next I hung up these trick or treat banners. I got these off of Amazon, and I wanted to hang these up a little bit higher, but because of the wall that we have, I couldn't put any tacks through it, so I had to put the thumbtacks on the edge of the door. Next, I started to place my mums, and oh my goodness, I feel like these really add that touch to any entrance. They're just so beautiful, so vibrant. I am loving my mums. I wanted to add this little Halloween sign. It says beware, so I just put that behind one of the mums. And if you guys know me, then you know that I love to add lighting to any of my decor. I just feel like it gives it that extra pop, and it really makes your decor stand out. So I'm using these ghost string lights that I just hung up around the door. You can just see right away what difference it makes when you add a little bit of lighting. And then after that, I started to place some pumpkins around the mums. And then next I had these little scarecrows that I picked up from Michael's, and then this huge pumpkin is from Target, and I just placed those around the mums and the pumpkins. And the last thing I did was add these bats. If you watch my Halloween decorate with me, then you see that I placed these all over the house as well, and they just made all the decor come together and really just pop out at you and give it a spooky little touch. And this is my 2020 Halloween porch decor. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys are loving all of these Halloween decorating videos, because I am. If you are, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up so that I can continue to film these decorating videos for you guys. And if you're not already, I would love for you to subscribe and be a part of my spooky YouTube family. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.